It's 2019 and we're in Lake Tahoe. We're in Lake Tahoe and it's what, Jonah? Snowing. It's snowing. Hey guys, where are we?
Emerald Bay.
Emerald Bay.
Pop a bottle, about to make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Just feel so good.
We are at the Shops at Heavenly.
We need swim trunks.
We need swim trunks. Everybody else is skiing, we're swimming. This just in, there's a gas leak in Tahoe, known as the Jonah.
Oh.
God, how's that smell, Cap?
It seems good luck's finally on my side.
Look at that view over there.
The sheets offer me every night. Whispers my name, tells the sun to rise.
It's an amazing resort.
An amazing resort. S'mores time!
I'm fresh, I'm fancy, I'm blessed, I'm classy, I'm too.
Yeah!
'Cause they don't.
Boom!
I'm living, I'm winning, not timid, they giving.
That's the resort behind us. And that is the sunset.
Here we stand.
The water is so clear. Look at it. And it's so still and so quiet. It's so beautiful and peaceful and serene here.
Tonight, light.